Welcome to the Insurance Dork channel powered by Customers First Insurance Group. Have you ever wondered why your rates went up, what that coverage actually means, or how to protect your stuff without overpaying? If this sounds like you, you're in the right place. Are you ready to dork out on some insurance? Want to know the most common homeowners insurance claim in Michigan? Almost 40% of homeowners claims in Michigan come from wind and hail damage. That's not fire. That's not water, it's wind and hail. Because of that, insurance companies pay very close attention to roofs, especially after storms. And that's why you'll often see contractors knocking on doors, offering free roof inspections. Sometimes that's legit, sometimes it's not. And if the damage is created just to file a claim, that can cross into insurance fraud. Bottom line, wind and hail claims are common, expensive, and closely scrutinized, which is why policies handle them differently than you might expect. Quick reminder before storm season. Two homeowners can have the same exact coverage and very different claims results. The difference is usually buried in the deductibles, the endorsements, and the exclusions. That's why comparing insurance isn't just about price. Read the policy, ask the questions, understand how claims actually pay. That's how you avoid surprises. And that's how you protect your home. Here's the part most people miss. Wind and hail deductibles, actual cash value roofs, and matching exclusions aren't automatically bad. They help insurance companies control fraud, limit massive losses, offer lower premiums. That lower premium can mean a lower mortgage payment, easier loan approval, more carrier options. The problem isn't the coverage. The problem is not knowing you have it. Insurance values live beyond the declaration page. Ever heard of a matching exclusion? Most people haven't. Some policies include matching exclusions. That means if only part of your roof or siding is damaged, the insurance company can replace that section only with the closest match available. Sounds fine until the coverage no longer exists, or the sun fading makes it obvious, the repair sticks out like a sore thumb. Older policies often required matching. Some newer ones don't. That single line of policy language can make a huge difference. Replacement cost doesn't always mean everything is covered at replacement cost. Some policies cover the house at replacement cost, but the personal property or roof at actual cash value. That means depreciation. So for example, if you have a 30-year-old roof that's 15 years old, that's roughly 50% depreciation. So a $6,000 roof paid at 50% equals $3,000 minus your $1,000 deductible means the insurance pays $2,000. That's a big gap. Always ask your agent, how is roof damage from wind and hail paid under this policy? This is one of the biggest surprises in homeowners insurance. Many homeowners don't realize they have a separate wind and hail deductible. You might have a $1,000 deductible for most claims, but a different deductible for wind and hail. Often, that wind and hail deductible is a percentage, usually 1% of your dwelling coverage. For example, if you have a $250,000 dwelling coverage and a 1% wind and hail deductible, that's $2,500 out of pocket before insurance pays $1. Always check your declaration page and be sure to thoroughly read any cover letters. This is easy to miss, and a lot of carriers have been changing policies when they renew, unbeknownst to the insured. If a contractor shows up after a storm, here's what you need to know. After wind and hail storms, contractors often go door to door offering free inspections. Some are great, some are not. If a contractor causes or exaggerates damage just to file an insurance claim, that's insurance fraud, and you, the homeowner, can be pulled into it. Before letting anyone on your roof, verify licensing, confirm insurance, read real reviews. A free inspection isn't a free pass. When in doubt, talk to your insurance agent before signing anything.